Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Mainstream. So today is the day. It is the Bitcoin halving. This is huge news. Absolutely huge news. Huge news. Huge news. Huge news. Huge news. Huge news. Anyways, you get the point. It's huge. It's the Bitcoin halving. Very excited about this. One of the most exciting things that happens in Bitcoin. It happens every 4 years. Basically what the halving is it's when the rewards for mining actually get cut in half. Now, in one of our first videos, I think it was actually our very first video, we touched base a little bit on blockchain and mining, so I'm not going to get too much into it now. But what it is the blockchain is basically, there's a lot of information in each block, and these blocks are connected in a long chain of blocks. And what the miners do is they verify everything that's happening in each block. So when one block is verified or audited, or however you want to basically think about it, is the miner gets rewarded. Right now it's 12.5 Bitcoin, and that is the reward for verifying an entire block. Now what happens on the halving is those rewards get cut in half. And these rewards are what keeps the miners basically cleaning all these blocks and making sure everything's good. Now it's about to be 6.25. And the fun thing about this is price. I mean, a lot of people are in Bitcoin because they're trying to make money. Price predictions are always the videos online that are always getting like the most views and most likes. I'm not gonna get too much into it. I'll tell you what I personally think is gonna happen, but let's talk a little bit about the history of it. So I've been in the crypto space now for about 4 or 5 years. So the 2012 halving, I wasn't really there for. The 2016 halving I was, and now here I am in 2020, ready for this one. What happened last time was very similar to what happened the time before, and already a lot of those signs are happening right now with this 2020 halving. So again, I can't predict exactly what's going to happen, but my thought is that we're going to probably have a little bit of a sell-off here now that the halving's in place. The mining rewards have gone down. I'm thinking over maybe the next 4 to 5 weeks, there's probably going to be a big sell-off, and then we're going to have our slow rise again. But one thing that's happened after every single halving is over the next year and a half, Bitcoin has always reached a new all-time high, which is awesome. So right now we're sitting around 10. There's going to be another dip is what I think. And then we're going to cruise into new all-time highs, which is where a lot of the analysts are starting to have a lot of fun. So a lot of people like to talk about the price. Since I've been in crypto, price is always the thing that brings a lot of attention. Everyone wants to know where it's going to go. Of course, none of us can predict exactly what the price is going to be. Also, I'm not a financial advisor. Great little plug here for me to tell you that none of this is financial advice, and I'm just some guy on the internet, so this is just my 2 cents. Don't take anything too seriously. But over the next year and a half, I could easily see Bitcoin getting into the 50,000, 75,000 range per Bitcoin. Some of the analysts that I'm following who have actually price predicted very, very accurately over the last like 8 to 10 years are saying that Bitcoin can get up in the 100,000s. Some are even saying as high as $535,000 per Bitcoin in the next year and a half, which is absolutely insane. Do I think it's gonna get that high? Not really, but I could easily again see the 50K range. So if you're sitting here watching this video right now while Bitcoin's at 10K, again, I always preach dollar cost averaging. So if you have some money sitting around, I'm not gonna say just shove it all in at once. Buy just a little bit on set days or set times for, over the next however long you want to invest for. But one thing I will say is Bitcoin is probably going to have a little bit of a downslope over the next few weeks, but then get ready for a long haul to the top. And it is going to be a lot of fun. It's going to bring all the altcoins back into action, which have been kind of stagnant for the last 6-7 months now. So a lot of fun and exciting stuff. I know this video is super short, but it is the halving day. Very exciting stuff, at least for me. I mean, this is one of the biggest days in Bitcoin. I absolutely love it. I have a lot of fun talking about it. Have a lot of fun looking on the computer, seeing what people think is going to happen, and like looking at historical charts and seeing where things are going to go. So just wanted to come out here and make a quick little video just about the halving. And yeah, that's it. Happy halving day. All right, see you guys.